How to fix if your Gcash application is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Gcash app is not working, here are possible fixes to fix it. Step 1. Make sure it is updated. For this, head over to Play Store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right, and on the search bar, type in Gcash. If update button is available, make sure to tap on it to get the latest version. This way, any glitches or bugs on the app could be fixed. Step 2. Confirm if you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if it's a network-related issue. Additionally, you can also turn off VPN and proxy if that is creating the trouble. If that does not work, long press the Gcash app and go to App Info. Then head over to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. Go back to the previous page, tap on Permissions. Then make sure all the required and necessary permissions are given access to. After this, restart the application as well as the device once and check if it fixes the issue. Sometimes the issue could also be from the server side. In that case, check it from the official website or down detector and wait until it gets fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.